Welcome to the Learn English 2 podcast, where you master English fast with fun, real-life lessons. Today we're starting from the very beginning, the alphabet, sounds, and pronunciation. If you're just starting your English journey, this episode is for you. Hi, I'm your host, and I'm here to help you speak English clearly and confidently. In this episode, we'll explore the English alphabet, how each letter sounds, and how to avoid common pronunciation mistakes. Whether you're learning for school, work, or travel, this foundation will set you up for success. Let's begin with the alphabet. English has 26 letters. Each letter has a name and a sound. For example, the letter A sounds like I, and B sounds like B. Now listen closely. Sparkles vowels and consonants. Out of the 26 letters, we divide them into two groups. A, vowels and consonants. The vowels are A, I, O, and U. All the other letters are consonants. Why are vowels special? Because every English word must have at least one vowel. Vowels give sound and life to words. Imagine saying the word cat without the letter A. It wouldn't work. Input Latin letters alphabet pronunciation. Now let's carefully learn how to pronounce each letter. Listen, repeat, and practice slowly. BB, CC, DD, E, F, G, K, I, JJ, KK, LL, MM, NN, O, PP, QQ, RR, SES, T, UU, A, WW, XX, YY, ZZ in American English, or Z in British English. Puzzle piece alphabet practice activity. Let's practice together. I will say the letters slowly. You repeat after me. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good. Now let's try faster. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. When you master this rhythm, spelling becomes easier. Direct hit why the alphabet matters. Think of the alphabet as the foundation of a house. If the foundation is weak, the house will collapse. If you are strong in the alphabet, you can learn faster. You can improve pronunciation. You can spell words correctly. You can read with confidence. And you can master grammar more easily. So remember, strong alphabet skills mean strong English skills. Studio microphone part 2 vowel and consonant sounds. Now that we know the letters, let's learn their sounds in words. Sparkles vowel sounds. Each vowel has at least two sounds. A short sound and a long sound. Letter A. Short, a cat, hat, map, apple. Long, a cake, name, make, rain. Practice with me. Cat, cake. Hat, hate. Map, mate. Letter E. Shorty, bed, pen, red, men. Long, ec, tree, green, eat. Practice. Bed, bead. Pen, peen. Red, read. Letter I. Short, I sit, bit, fish, win. Long, I time, ride, line, 9. Practice. Sit, sight. Bit, bite. Win. Letter O. Short O, hot dog, cot, rock. Long O, go, nose, rose, home. Practice. Hot hope. Cot, coat. Not note. Letter U. Short U, cup, sun, luck, mud. Long U, use, cute, June rule. Practice. Cup, cube. Sun, soon. Luck, Luke. Speaking head vowel practice sentences. A cat sat on a mat. Eli eats green peas. I sit in a big ship. Tom goes home alone. You use blue shoes. Repeat slowly. Then try faster. Sparkles consonant sounds. Now let's look at consonants. Some are easy. Some are tricky. V versus W. V in very voice. W win, water, wall. Tip. V uses teeth and lip. W uses round lips. R versus L. A red, run, rice. L lead, leg, light. Many learners confuse these. Practice. Red, lead. Rice, lice. That each sound. Soft to think, thin think. Hard to this, that, those. Tip: put your tongue between your teeth. Blow air for think. Add voice for this. Direct hit daily practice. Every day spend 5 minutes on vowels and consonants. Repeat. Record your voice. Listen. And correct yourself. Studio microphone part 3. Everyday words practice. Now let's build real words and sentences. Input Latin letters, simple words. C cat. D dog. B bus. A run. A G go. Chat. Then. Repeat each word 3 times. Speaking head mini conversation practice. Let's try a short dialogue. Hi, what's your name? My name is Tom. How do you spell it? Tom. Now you try spelling your name. Sparkle's word building game. Let's add letters to make new words. At cat cart smart. In pin spin spine. OT hot pot spot sport. See how one letter changes the meaning completely? That's why spelling is powerful. Direct hit practice challenge. Look around your room. Spell 5 objects aloud. Example: bed, bed, fan, book, book. Studio microphone part 4. Pronunciation tips and habits. Learning English is not about speed. It is about consistency. Sparkle's daily habits. Practice the alphabet every day. Even 5 minutes is enough. Record your voice. Compare with a native speaker. Shadow native speakers. That means repeat after them closely. Speak out loud. Even if you are alone. Old key golden rule. Consistency. Small daily practice is better than 2 hours once a week. Like exercise, little by little builds strength. Building construction learning is like building a house. The alphabet is the foundation. Words are the bricks. Grammar builds the walls. Speaking adds the decoration. Without a strong foundation, the house falls. With daily practice, your English house becomes strong and beautiful. Remember, don't rush. Don't fear mistakes. Repeat, repeat, repeat. English is not magic. It is a skill. And every skill comes from practice. Start today. Practice the alphabet. Spell your name. Say 5 simple words. Tomorrow repeat. In 1 month you will see the difference. White heavy check mark. That's the end of today's lesson. You learned the alphabet and its pronunciation. You learned vowel and consonant sounds. You practiced simple words and sentences. And you discovered daily habits for fluency. Keep practicing, and English will soon become part of your life.